In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up classes in QuickBooks. This is a useful feature that can help you organize and track your financial data more effectively, especially if you manage multiple projects or departments within your business. Let's dive right in to get you all set up. First things first, you'll need to sign into your QuickBooks account. This is your gateway to managing your finances, so go ahead and click on the Sign In button. Once you've done that, you'll want to choose QuickBooks Online to continue. This ensures you're accessing the online version, which we'll be working with in this tutorial. Now just type in your login credentials. Remember to keep these secure and private for your account's safety. Once you've entered your login info, click Continue, and you'll be directed to the main dashboard. Now a crucial tip before we proceed is to turn on the tracking feature for classes. This is only required once and will enable us to use the class feature within QuickBooks. To do this, navigate to the settings section, choose Advanced, and then toggle on the track class option. Don't forget to hit Save to apply these settings. This small step is key as it activates the class tracking functionality we need. With that setting enabled, let's proceed to set up your classes. From your dashboard, find and click on Settings. This is the control center for all your customization in QuickBooks. Once in Settings, you'll see an option labeled All Lists. Click on it. All Lists is where you can find a variety of list-based features, including classes, which is what we're focusing on today. Within All Lists, you'll now see the Classes option. Give that a click and it will direct you to the Classes Management section. Here is where you can create and adjust class categories to suit your business needs. To add a new class, you'll want to click on the New button. This will open a new entry form where you can input details for your class. Now think of a meaningful name for your new class and type it into the Name field. The name should be something that clearly identifies the category or segment you're managing, as good organization helps in smoother data management later on. Once you've entered your class name, the last step is to click Save. This will add your new class to QuickBooks, making it available for use in financial tracking. And that's it, you've successfully set up a class in QuickBooks. This new organizational feature will allow you to better manage and report on the diverse parts of your business. I hope this guide has been helpful. Thanks for watching and happy bookkeeping.